Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to knit this beautiful pattern for you. This pattern you can knit on gents sweater, lady sweater, even on baby sweater, cap. This pattern is very easy to knit. From wrong side it look like this. For this pattern, cast on multiple of 6 stitches and add 4 extra stitches. For this tutorial, cast on 22 stitches, 18 plus 4, 22, row 1, right side, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl 3, yarn in back, knit 2, yarn in front, purl 4, yarn in back, knit 2, yarn in front, purl 4, yarn in back, knit 2, yarn in front, purl 3, and knit the edge stitch. Row 2, wrong side, skip edge stitch, yarn in back, knit 3, yarn in front, purl 2, yarn in back, knit 4, yarn in front, purl 2, yarn in back, knit 4, yarn in front, purl 2, yarn in back, in the end knit 3, purl edge stitch. Row 3, right side, skip edge stitch, knit as row 1, purl 3, knit 2, purl 4, knit 2, purl 4, knit 2, in the end purl 3, knit edge stitch. Row 4, wrong side, skip edge stitch, knit as row 2, knit 3, purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, In the end, knit 3, purl edge stitch. Row 5, right side, skip edge stitch, purl 1, yarn in back. Now twist this stitch, third stitch, to the right side here and these 2 stitches in between. So we will insert the needle like this and pass these 2 stitches to left hand side needle and this stitch to the, now like this. Now knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Twist this knit stitch to the left side and these 2 stitch in between. So insert the needle like this from the back side and pass the stitch to the left side needle and pass these 2 stitches like this. Now knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Repeat this pattern again. Twist this stitch to the right side and 2 stitches between. So you can also do like this. Knit 3 stitches, now twist this stitch to the left side and 2 stitches between. Insert the needle like this from the back and like this 2 stitches to right hand side needle and this stitch to the left hand side needle, and now both the stitches on the left hand side needle. Now knit 3. Again this stitch to the right side and 2 stitches between. Insert the needle like this and pass these 2 stitches to the left hand side needle. Now pass this stitch also on left side needle. Knit 3. Twist this stitch to the left side. From the back side, insert the needle and pass these 2 stitches between and this stitch to the left side. Now knit 3 stitches. In the end, purl 1, knit edge stitch. Row 6, wrong side, skip edge stitch, purl all the stitches. This is 1 to 6 rows repeat pattern. Repeat these 6 rows again and again. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification and also write the comments. Thank you. Bye bye.